This is the Juniper Dining Hall we're about to go into. This is all you can eat style eating. Here you just swipe your card to get in, and then once you're inside, you help yourself. They have dining stations all over the place. We'll check the pizza out right here. They always have cheese pizza, pepperoni pizza, and then they have another kind that they rotate every day. This is the drink station where you can get pretty much anything you want to drink. And there's cereal. They even have ice cream here. Now we're here for lunch today, but they are still serving breakfast.
Can I get a little bit more ice, please?
This station hasn't been set up yet. This is where they have healthy food. And here's gluten-free food. This is a burger station. They have hot dogs, hamburgers, chicken sandwiches, and corn dogs. And these are the toppings for your hamburger. French fries. There's ketchup, mustard, etc. For breakfast they also have bagels, toast, and you can make your own waffles. This is the dessert station here. They always have cookies and cake. And here's the salad bar. And here's all the toppings and dressings. And over here, this is the deli. They have cold cuts, toppings. You can make a panini, you can make a sandwich, or you can make a wrap. All kinds of cheeses and deli meats. This station makes food fresh. You can have, they're making omelets right now. Later on in the day, you can have usually pasta. And this is the world flavor section. This usually has food from every week. They have a different country that they specialize in. And you can have fried eggs. And back in the other part, on the other side of this station, that's a store over there. You can actually go in the store and swipe your card. And then they have a second drink station over here. Same thing, you have sodas, juice, milk, almond milk, anything you want, iced tea. And that's the Juniper Dining. There's also some food choices in here. Let's take a look. There's Panera Bread. Jamba Juice back there. It's a Saturday afternoon today at USF, so there's not a lot of activity going on. Looks like most of the dining options here are closed, but we'll take a look at what they have to offer. There's Panda Express, Papa John's back there, 813 Eats, and we have Subway. And then it looks like there's a drink station there. And they have lots of seating in here too, whether you're studying or eating or whatever you want to do. And this is the Hub, which is another dining option. If you have a meal plan, you can either go to Juniper or the Hub. We will be showing you both. I'll see if they let me in here to tape the food options. You have to scan your card to go inside. Here, we'll just go around this way. Sorry. That's where you drop your dirty plates off. Okay, this place is called the Grill House. This is where they have hamburgers, hot dogs, chicken sandwiches, and French fries. What do we have today? Chicken? Oh, okay. This is called True Balance. That's healthy. There's a drink station. Oh. What is that? Oh, okay. Looks good. Thank you. There's ham. We have potatoes, broccoli. Fresh fruit here. Looks like breakfast items. Yeah, we have scrambled eggs, sausage. Just making a video for my son of the food options. Here we have make your own breakfast. We have toast, you can make waffles. And here's cereal and milk. Okay. And they have vegan options here. Vegan cookies, and you can get sandwiches made here. We have another drink station. I haven't seen the pizza yet. Let's see if we can find the pizza station. And we have all kinds of vegetables. You can make salads here. We have yogurt. Oh, here's the pizza. There we go. They always have cheese and pepperoni pizza. Today it looks like they have some kind of a sausage pizza. And that covers the hub for dining options.